Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of Me Plus Everything. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some delicious egg rolls. They're super simple, super easy, and they taste awesome. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so first you want to soak your noodles in hot water. I used 4 bundles. Next is the green onions. Cut the ends off, rinse, and finely chop them. After that, do the same for the cilantro. Next, take your carrots and using a peeler, peel off the skin. Then use a vegetable shredder and start shredding your carrots. You want to make them about 1 to 2 inches long. This should equal 2 cups. Once you're done prepping the veggies, the noodles should have softened by then. Drain the noodles and use a kitchen scissor to cut them into smaller pieces, about 1 to 2 inches. Now we are ready to mix everything together. In a big mixing bowl, add the ground pork, add the noodles, then add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of the panda sauce, and give it a good mix. It didn't look like enough sauce for me, so I added another 2 tablespoons of the panda and oyster sauce. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and give it a good mix. Then add 2 eggs and mix thoroughly. Once it's fully mixed, add the carrots, along with the green onions and cilantro. Make sure everything is mixed well. Then you're all done with the filling. Now let's start rolling. Take your egg roll sheets and peel them off one by one onto a plate. Be very careful when peeling off these sheets. They're very thin and can rip. Take an egg and separate the yolk from the whites. We only want to keep the yolk. That will be used as glue for the egg rolls. Then on a cutting board or flat surface, lay 1 sheet down with 1 corner towards you. Grab some filling and add it to the bottom corner. Then roll it from the bottom like so. Fold in the 2 sides and continue to roll it to the top. Take a dab of the egg yolk and apply it to the final corner of the sheet. This will hold the egg roll together. You can roll it with having the filling in the middle instead of at the end of the sheet. Whichever way you prefer is fine. Just make sure to keep the roll tight as you are rolling it so the filling is secured. Repeat the process until all the filling is done. After you're all done, add some oil to a frying pot or pan and turn the heat to medium-high. If you have a fryer, that would be better to use. I don't have one, so I'm using a small pot. Once the heat is hot, add in the egg rolls. I'd say about 4 or 5 at a time. Then, once they're golden brown and start to float, they are done. Carefully take them out and place them on a serving plate. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. Good luck, you guys. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I finished making all the egg rolls. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I have 3 egg rolls right here, close up as always. Actually, let me just take one out and show you. Focus, focus, focus. There you go. On the side here, I have my hot pepper sauce that I always use. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out right here. It's super simple and easy as well. And then I do have the sweet and sour sauce here as well. This is the, ooh, can you see? The one that people normally dip egg rolls with. And this is how it looks like. All right. So let's go ahead and try it with the spicy sauce first. Oh, you guys, that crunch. This is delicious. Let's try the sweet sauce. Right here. This is bomb. The flavor that's in the egg rolls, it's not overpowering at all whatsoever. It's almost perfect. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and learning how to make some delicious egg rolls. If you do end up making this recipe, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or Facebook at MEplusEverything. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram or Facebook. That's where I'll be posting more food, more videos, just kind of exclusive stuff that doesn't appear on YouTube. And again, if you're not yet subscribed, please do just click that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, share and comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.